here is something I've been working on since December, kind of on and off. This is I don't remember what they said. It's not a 60, I think it's a 50 or a 55 gallon hexagon tank. Back in the day, you know, they're vertical, so that's what this was. This was a vertical hexagon build, and I bought this piece so it can have two ends so that I could make it horizontal. And it was originally going to be a fish tank, but I couldn't think of any other fish that I wanted, and it didn't give me motivation to continue the build. So then I decided that I wanted an ant farm. Hey, quit doing that. That's gross. So this side is actually two nests. It's got these horizontal braces that are holding it together. So I used this negative space to create like an under nest. And it's got like those clay balls and some sand. Ew. And then it's got a couple different entry holes. And then this side is a bunch of like concrete crumbles. And this is a little bit finer concrete crumbles and sand. Oh my gosh, I'm allergic to everything. And then it's got a couple entry holes right here and here. And then it's about 2 inches thick, I guess. This side is just all one piece. And it's got the clay balls and some soil and then some sand. And I put, you know, little twigs and branches in there to give the fill-in some structure when I top it off. And then I got these cool things, double-eyed cookies with some neat splits in them. I think they have some really cool aesthetic. I really love these pieces. So I only got the one more rectangular piece to put on for the side, and then I have that like 300 micron stainless steel screen to make a lid for the top with some more of this corrugated plastic. So this is most of my ant build.